Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about the support and movement. Okay. Before going through the details of the chapter, we should know first what is movement and what is locomotion, and what is the position when there is no more movement or locomotion. Okay, and how the movement or locomotion is carried out. For these functions we need the support. For even standing upright, you need the support. Okay, you need the muscles, you need the cartilage, you need the bones for standing upright. Okay, and if you lean down, अगर आप झुकते हैं, okay, if you lean, then you are undergoing the movement but not locomotion, mind it. So this is what the movement. And if you move from one place to the other, this is place A, this is place B. If you move like this is what? Locomotion. In other words, you can say that the movement from locus to locus, that is known as what? Locomotion. Clear? If you are not moving, then you are in the state of inertia. Okay, you might have studied in your physics. Clear? Now let us come to the locomotion in movement in plants and support in plants first. This is, you see, the seed of what? Triticum aestivum. Triticum aestivum. Triticum aestivum is what? Sorry? Wheat. Gandum in Urdu. Okay. Its seed is growing now. Its seed is now germinating. This is the baby plant. This one. The baby plant is upright. Why? We must know the reason. The reason is that it is provided the turgor. What? It is provided the turgor. And that turgor is due to the vacuoles present in it. And those vacuoles are covered over by the membrane known as tonoblast. What? Tonoblast. So this, this support is being provided due to what? What? Turgor. Okay? This support is being provided to the baby plant due to turgor, pressure. Here is a mature plant. You see here and there the trees are present, and those trees are even the vines. They are found upright. Why? They are found standing. Why? Due to certain tissue which is the supporting tissue. There are two major types of the supporting tissue. Those are what? The sclerenchymatous tissue and what? Sclerenchyma tissue. Okay? The sclerenchyma tissue and the sclerenchyma tissue, they provide the support. You see, if you see the stump of a tree, this is stump, okay? On the inside there are the xylem vessels. Okay, the mature xylem tissue is what? That is dead, mind it. This is the sapwood. This one is what? Sapwood. Okay, around the black wood or hardwood is present the sapwood. It is conducting tissue. Last year, the students they came across in 2022 examination. The students they came across the question, what is the difference between hardwood and sapwood? Okay, the hardwood is what? Non-conducting tissue. The sapwood is what? Conducting tissue. Clear? Here in the Here in the hardwood are ring-like structures. Ring-like structures. These rings are known as annual rings. By measuring the number of, by counting the number of these annual rings, you can count the years, count in years the age of a tree. Clear? Okay? Now, the xylem vessels, they are dead vessels. Okay, but the minerals and the water, it moves from lower side of the plant to the upper side. They are present in the conducting part of the plant, mind it. Okay, the phloems, they bring the material from upper side of the plant to the lower side. Those are surely what the food materials, glucose, etc., etc. But it is sometime it moves from lower side to the upper side as well. So it is said that the phloem tissues, they conduct the food material from source to sink, Clear? Now, at the moment we are not concerned with the conduction, rather we are actually concerned with the supporting tissue. So here the supporting tissue is what? Sclerenchyma. What? Sclerenchyma and sclerenchyma. Sclereids, okay, and fibers. Okay, these are the tissues which provide the support to the adult or mature plant. Okay, you might have seen that the nuts. Suppose this is a nut. Okay, nut, like that of almond. If you break that nut, you find what? The fibers like this. Okay. In wood, you find what? Sclerenchymatous tissue and sclereids. Okay, and what? The sclerenchyma. Okay, what is the difference now between the sclerenchyma and sclerenchyma? The sclerenchyma tissue, the sclerenchyma tissue is not as much lignified as the sclerenchyma and sclereids are. Okay, the sclerenchyma tissues, they are a bit softer as compared to the sclereids and the sclerenchyma and fibers as well. Okay, and these are living. These are now living. Thank you very much.